It's time to cook with Susan Beck, and I'm cooking today at the Boscobel Farmers Market. Good morning. Welcome to the Boscobel Farmers Market. Today we're going to use some microgreens on our deviled egg potato salad. So we're going to purchase those here from Larry. And I want people to be able to try. He's going to get 2 of them. What would you recommend?
And what were you gonna make?
We're gonna do a deviled egg potato salad.
Okay.
And we're also making steamed rutabagas. We could put a little bit on there.
Probably gonna lean you towards
Salad mix? Okay.
That would mix the pretzel.
Okay, we will do that. We're gonna do some fresh, what do I have? I got thyme and parsley and dill and basil that I've got growing in a little hydro garden. So we're gonna make it up.